In this tutorial we're going to take a closer look at the light sidebars and see how to style them in a variety of ways. So let's get the ball rolling. We'll delete these example sidebars, and now we'll add a 4-column stack to the page and a light sidebar. Okay, let's get started. First we'll add a few images. And we'll delete that one at the top there. We'll add a 5-column stack here. Then we'll grab some social icons. Next we'll add some text. We'll give it some padding. We'll copy that into the other drop zones. Now we'll remove that background. Click on the design thing. We'll give it a 1 pixel border. We'll give it a drop shadow of 2 pixels. We'll round the corners. We'll give the icons some extra padding, bring them away from the top and bottom. We'll change the background of the title tabs to a tiled image, and we'll use a 5% black, and we'll do that with all the other tabs. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We'll copy that sidebar into the next column, and this time we'll go for a little bit more color, and we'll give it a background type of vertical gradient. Let's go wild and give it a bright green bottom fill and a bright blue top fill. Let's swap out that image there. Let's give these title tab backgrounds a slightly brighter background. We'll go for 50% Turkish here, and we'll do the same for all the other tabs. Now as we get down into the green part of the gradient, let's make the tabs blue. We'll go for 50% cyan. Now we'll colour the text white to make it stand out just a little bit better. Okay, I think we'll colour the text here as well. Now let's add another light sidebar to the 3rd column here. The first thing we'll do is select the design thing stack and give it a vertical gradient of dark grey bottom fill, light grey top fill. We'll round the corners. We'll copy across some social icons. We'll add some images. We'll add some text. We'll add some background tiling to the title tabs. Now we want to give the sidebar a 3-pixel white border all the way around, so we'll set the padding at 3 pixels and the background type solid color white. I'll take a quick preview and see how that looks. Okay, that looks fine. If you'd rather do without the dividing lines, then you can simply remove them by unchecking the border, top and bottom here and here. And we'll colour the title tabs white to make them stand out. We can add an icon into the drop zone here and give it some top padding, maybe about 7 pixels, and let's preview. Okay, finally let's copy this one across, and this time we'll go for some color again. We'll select the design things stack, and instead of vertical gradient, let's go for a local image. We'll use let's use a 50% turquoise. Let's give these title tabs a slightly lighter tiled background. Let's try a 20% cyan, and we'll do that with all of them. Next we'll get rid of some of these lines, these border lines, and when we preview that, see the lines are nice and delicate now. And finally, let's just give the sidebar a bigger drop shadow, make it jump off the page a little bit more. There we go, I think we're ready to preview. And there you have it, 4 different variations on a sidebar theme.